So I'm today in front of me HardReset, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off auto rotate screen on this device. So to do that, you just should open the notification panel, and here you'll see the auto rotate icon. Just to enable the auto rotate, tap here once on this icon, and now for example when we'll open the gallery, okay, we just can turn our device, and by this way we can just rotate our screen. And also if you want to just disable the auto rotate option, just tap here again on the switcher, and that's it. So that's how it looks. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.